Oh, look at that. Stay right here. Stay right here.
I think he will.
Stay right here.
Did he hit it, Daddy?
Nope. No. We need to somehow secure that thing up there. I think I need to try to take. Let me see. Let's do this. Put this. What?
Put the sexy shell on it.
Shut.
I think
Put the sexy shell. All right, stick it up there. It's all. It's coming off left. Put the name on it right there. All right. So it's the name. All right. Everybody back up.
I found it.
Back up.
Daddy, can I hold this little pistol?
You can hold it, yeah, but he's got to unload it first. All right, back up there behind him.
Can I hold your pistol, Daddy?
Back up here behind him. All right.